Everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a, what's it called, fog, like darkness, dark fog, white fog, whatever you like it. So let's get into this. Okay, first you want to go on view, open up your properties and click the explorer. You want to have them both open so you can be able to switch between them. Then you want to close the workspace, make sure you see something called lighting, you click on it. Make sure it's blue or whatever, click, and you switch the properties, and then what you want to do from there, you scroll down till you see fog. Okay, now whatever color you want your fog to be, you can choose that. So like, if you want maybe a horror game, you can go for dark fog. If you want more of just a mysterious game, you can have just white fog. So for now we'll practice with a dark fog. Okay, this is how a dark fog will be. So what you want to do, so as you can see there's no fog here. You only change the colour of how it will look like. However, it should say fog and it'll just be a big number. What you want to do is change it from a number from like 0 to 200. So 200 is just a bit. 100 is like this. 50 is pretty close. And the fog start is where you start, where it starts. So if you choose 100, it would be a bit further away from you. It looks, I wouldn't go for 100, it looks a bit odd. So maybe go for more like for number 0 to 40, so you can go for 40. You can go for 20. I feel like 15 looks good. And for fog end, you can do like 70. This is how it looks. I mean, it looks decent, but the only reason it's not good is because it's bright and there's fog, dark fog. So what you want to do is you want to download this plugin called Set Sun. You should be able to get it for free, and you just search it in plugins. So once you do get it, you should just find it in plugins. You click the Set Sun and you drag it down to wherever you want it. The more you drag the sun down, the moon will come up instead. Yeah, there it is. So now it looks way better. So unequip it, play here, and now this is how it looks with nighttime fog. It should look way better, more spooky I'd say. If you want white fog, you can just go back to Explorer, close the workspace, check the properties of lighting, go to fog, and choose a brighter color. This is how it will look with a white fog. Looks pretty good. I'm going to show you how the different colour fogs looks for spooky background. Okay, this is how white fog looks like. You can make it more heavy, however you like it. This is more of a less heavy white fog. This is a dark fog. Doesn't really look that foggy, it just looks dark. It's a heavy dark fog, so the further you go away from the light, the more it goes away. This is more of a less heavy dark fog, more looks like darkness. Pink, red looks kind of good. Green, more acidic, spooky. This kind of colour looks nice, the light green, very light green. That's how it looks. This is how a more of a greenish fog looks like. Maybe you can use it for Halloween colours too. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the video. Thank you for watching the video on how fog is and darkness is created in Roblox Studio. See you in another video. Please subscribe, press the like button. Bye.